Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the ScanWatch Horizon. It's a brand new hybrid smartwatch from a company called Withings, and it has the style of a dive watch, but is packed with features like a half-inch screen that displays notifications. It has a heart rate tracker, ECG sensor, O2 sensor, and a battery life that will last over a month. So we're going to be taking a look at this watch, taking a look at the design, the style, and testing all the different features like notifications, the sensors, and putting it to the test for things like hikes and workouts to see just how it stacks up as a fitness smartwatch. Alright, there's a lot to unpack, so first let's take a look at what you get inside the box. It comes with the instruction manual, the charger, and a tool so you can adjust the stainless steel band, along with a few extra links to make the band larger. You also get a rubber strap that matches the color of the watch, so we got the blue band, and then the watch comes pre-installed with the stainless steel band already on it. Setting up the watch is super easy. All you have to do is download the HealthMate app from Withings. It's in the App Store on iOS and Android. Setting up the watch is easy, and they have a bunch of tutorials at the end that walk you through all the different features. So, taking a look at the design of the ScanWatch Horizon, it definitely looks like a regular analog watch at first glance. People would never know that this is a smartwatch. The case is a 43mm in size, and it's made of 316L stainless steel. It's 13mm thick, making it around the same thickness and size as other analog dive watches. When you buy the watch, you have two colors to choose from, either blue and green. We bought ours in the blue version, which we think looks really sharp. But we would love to see either a black or a gray, maybe even a gold or a bronze with black accents. We think that would look also really nice. The case of the watch also features a rotating bezel, which is normally used to time your scuba dive tank. And while the watch is up to 100 meters water resistant, let's be real, most of us probably won't be using this watch to do any scuba diving. Meanwhile, the stainless steel band is nice if that's what you're looking for. It has a quick release mechanism so you can easily take it off. But we actually really like the rubber strap that they include. It's super comfortable, and we like that it matches the blue color, so we've been wearing that a lot. The band size is 20mm. We also found this third-party sailcloth style band on Amazon. It's only $20 and it matches the watch perfectly. We also really like the quality, so we'll put a link in the description of this video if you want to go check it out and buy one for yourself. Looking at the face of the watch, there's a sapphire glass to protect it on the outside, and underneath you've got the mechanical dials along with that tiny half-inch LED screen at the top. There's also an analog dial at the bottom, which is actually used as a step counter to show you the overall progress you've made throughout the day. The hands of the watch have an hour and minute hand, and they'll automatically be set by the watch, so it will always keep perfect time. The face also has luminescent dials that will glow in the dark. The crown of the watch is your main button and controls. Pressing it will immediately turn on the screen and show you the time, day, and date. And one cool feature is that the hands will automatically move out of the way in case they're actually covering the screen. It's a cool feature that feels analog and advanced at the same time, and it really is just quite fun to see it in action. Displaying notifications, the screen will show the incoming notification or the phone call. One nice thing is that you can actually restrict which apps will allow notifications. So you can get, for example, phone calls and text messages while turning off emails and social media. This is nice so that way you don't have notifications buzzing on your wrist all day long. However, one important thing to note on iPhone and iOS is that in order for notifications to work, you need to turn on the show previews. That basically means that when you get a text message, the notification will show a preview on the screen even when it's locked of the first line of that message. The LED screen is easy to see, but we did notice that under the bright sun, it was a little bit harder to see it. But it does have an auto brightness setting, which you can turn off or set a custom brightness inside the app. There's also a vibration when you get notifications and calls, but unfortunately we didn't find any way to change the vibration levels. Looking at the crown, this is your main and single control for the watch. To turn on the display, you press the crown in, and then you can scroll through the different modes and settings. You can cycle through different screens like heart rate, step counter, miles, floors count, along with the ECG, O2 sensor, settings, or start a workout. And if you go into the settings of the HealthMate app, you can actually customize the modes in the order in which the settings appear in the menu. You can also customize which workouts have preloaded in the presets. One of the features that we would love to see added into the ScanWatch Horizon would be weather. We noticed that there was no way to see local weather on the watch, but we hope that they could add this in future software updates. But we actually really like the HealthMate app. It has a super clean UI that's really easy to navigate. You can easily find all your health details and also see your prior workouts and walks or runs. It also has integration with Apple Health and Android Health, so it can pull in all your previous data and vice versa. Looking at the health sensors, they're clinically validated, so you can trust that they will be pretty accurate. The heart rate sensor runs every 10 minutes, while the ECG and O2 sensors can be activated by going into the menu of the watch. Wearing the watch for many days at a time, we were happy to see the results from the sensors that were on par with what we've been seeing with our Apple Watch for many years. For sleep tracking, you can wear the watch at night. However, it might be a little bit bulky on your wrist. But the sleep tracking is very good. It can track light and REM sleep, and also breathing disturbances. But we did notice the battery life started to get more affected due to the sensors working more often when wearing it day and night. Testing the workout features of the watch, we tried using the ScanWatch on a few runs and hikes. It's pretty basic and does a good job if you're going on a simple walk or a hike. But one thing to note right away is it doesn't have built-in GPS, so you'll need to bring your phone with you in order to record location data. You also can't control music that's playing from your watch or have any kind of dedicated music app on the ScanWatch Horizon. And it also doesn't have the ability to connect any external chest heart rate monitors for more accurate measurements of training parameters like cadence or vertical oscillations. So we can't stress enough that this isn't going to be a good watch for dedicated runners or hikers who want to leave their phone behind. For battery life, this is where the watch is a real winner. Withings advertises a 30-day battery life, and in our testing we found that you'll get about 20 to 30 days with daily use and a few workouts in a week. But if you're getting a lot of notifications, if you work out 4 to 5 times a week or you wear it for sleeping every night, you should expect only about 10 to 14 days. But that's still really good, especially compared to an Apple Watch or other Android Wear watches that you'll have to charge every single day. So overall, we think the ScanWatch Horizon can be a really good daily smartwatch for those who want something more stylish while also having some analog aspects to it.